water that's being siphoned from the creek. This is Mingus Creek water. It's had all summer to heat up, and my hand is aching right now because it's so cold. So this is the grist mill, this is one of the 80 buildings that have been restored in the Great Smoky Mountains. This is a grist mill.
What do they do at a grist mill?
Oh, they grind, they grind wheat, they grind flour. I mean, they grind wheat into flour and corn into cornmeal. In the Smokies or anywhere in Appalachia, you didn't make it without corn. Everyone ate cornmeal, sometimes 2-3 times a day. That's a local resident said. Mingus Mill.